I have a GoPro Hero 7 Black here. I'm going to show you how to put in the battery and SD card, as well as take it back out, and also how to format the SD card while it is inside your GoPro. So I have everything in right now. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the back door, and it's going to be this door here, okay? The smaller door here, this is just where the charging port is and the micro HDMI port on here. The micro HDMI port is basically if you wanted to go ahead and use the cable to hook up to live view on like your external monitor or TV or whatnot. Anyways, what we want to do is we want to go to the bigger door here. So here's a little button right here. So press in and then press down to kind of like open it a little bit. Oops, just press down like this. And it's going to come out like, see the lip come out like that. Now if you let go, it's going to flop right back up. Okay, so go ahead and take out the battery. Here's a little, the piece of string that's hooked onto the battery. Just pull it out like that, and there's the battery out, and here's the SD card here. It's spring loaded, so we want to press in to release it. So press in, and then it'll come out a little bit more, and now we can just grab our finger and take it out just like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and reinsert everything. So first thing is, let's go ahead and grab the SD card first, and you want to make sure that the writing, everything is pointing towards you, and make sure that the SD card slot is towards the back. Okay, so go ahead and pop it in right into that little slit right there. And don't forget, like I said, it's spring loaded, so what we need to do is press down until we hear a little snap. So press down. I just heard it, and now we know that it's in right there. Now go ahead and grab the battery, and you can see the way it's lined up right there. So we want to put it in just like this. So just slide that in like that, and now to close it just like this, and then go ahead and press in like this, just like that. Now let's go ahead and turn it on, and we're going to go ahead and format the SD card. Okay, so as soon as the GoPro is on, next thing you want to do is just go ahead and slide from the top down. Top, down, hit on preferences right there. And now we want to go down, all the way down to where it says reset. Tap on reset. And right up top, it should say format SD card. So simply tap on format SD card. And I'm going to go ahead and tap on format. It's going to delete and format everything that's currently on there. Give it just a second here. My SD card is now formatted, and I'm ready to start shooting. Pretty simple.